No previous experience, no tech skills, no products on your own? Don't worry, affiliate marketing is the business model for you to launch your entrance in the online world. If you just heard about affiliate marketing and you're curious to know a little bit more about it, you're in the right place, my friend. In this video, you'll learn what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can get it started. Hi, Vanessa here, and welcome to my channel where you don't only learn how to make money online, but how to build digital stage so you can live your own version of laptop lifestyle. We can deny that we have been going through some really crazy times, right? And you have to agree with me that these past events have brought more people online, more people shopping online. In fact, US e-commerce growth has jumped more than 30%, accelerating online shopping by nearly 2 years. And experts are saying that we are now going backwards. Believe me, friend, this online thing is just getting started. This shift is creating endless new opportunities to go out there and make an insane amount of money without big investments and obstacles like it was before. So while more and more people will be watching online content, shopping online, consuming online, where are you in this process? Are you a person that is able to monetize with all the resources you have been given to live life on your own terms? Or a person stuck in a job where you're told how much you can get paid, when you can take time off and live paycheck by paycheck? If you're like me, somebody who wants to take advantage of this new digital economy, affiliate marketing is the business model for you. In simple words, you recommend products that are already selling, and when people buy it from your referral, you get a commission. It's like a partnership between a company that has the products and you. The best part? You only do the marketing. The company will deal with the whole business process, such as customer support, worry about shipping, refund, emailing. Your job is simply to send people their way. So for example, you use a software to record and edit your videos. You love how it's user-friendly and you tell your friends. They trust your word and they buy it you under your referral. The company will pay you a commission for bringing people to their door. Just in case you're curious, I use Camtasia. It's a great software that you can use in Mac and Windows. I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to check it out. Now, back to affiliate marketing. So basically, you find products that are proven to sell and you put it in front of people with the desire to buy it. So in my humble opinion, affiliate marketing is the best business model to start your journey as an online entrepreneur because of two main reasons. Number one, you don't need to worry about the whole business process. You focus only on learning digital marketing. After you master it and you want to create your own product, you already know how to sell it. Two, there is a minimal risk. You don't have to invest in inventory, hiring a team, create a product, and you can make up 80% commissions just for referring other people's product. To start, when you decide what product you want to promote, you just sign up for their affiliate program. The company will give you a unique link that will track your referrals to them. Every single affiliate will receive a specific link with a tracking cookie. So when people click in this link and go to their website, the company will know who referred them. And when they buy something under your referral, you get paid. Your entire job as an affiliate marketer is to get individuals to click your link and take them to the company's website. The company will take over from there and finalize the sale for you. The key to become a successful affiliate marketer and increase your sales is to build an audience. You can promote products by using blog, Facebook, Instagram, any platform that you can connect with a large amount of people. Doing that, you'll be able to present your unique link in front of your audience, and hopefully they're gonna start clicking it. An important thing to do that some affiliates miss is to collect their audience email address. It's essential to do that because at any time the platform can decide to close your account. If that happens and you don't have their contact information, you're gonna lose all the audience that you worked so hard to create. Think about it, the email address is the only thing that you really own online, and you are legally allowed to contact them unless they unsubscribe from your list. So to get started, the first step is to pick a niche and the products to promote. This should be the fun part because you can turn a passion into your business, or maybe you can turn your expenses into income. If you're using something and it helps you somehow, it might help somebody else as well, right? They just need to know about the product, and your job as an affiliate marketer is to show them the product and how it's useful for them. If you don't know what niche to pick, wealth, health, and relationship are the evergreen niches. Some sub-niches examples in wealth are work from home, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, trading. In health, you can think about weight loss, diabetes, health eating, physical exercise. And some examples for a relationship are online dating, better sex life, wedding, divorce. More you niche down in the beginning, better for you to target your audience. But keep in mind, you want a niche with room to expand over time. Let's say you're in the health niche and you decide to focus on weight loss. There are many types of exercises and diets. Let's say you pick low-carb diet. You learn everything about it and become an expert in this specific topic. By doing that, you can direct all your content to people looking for this specific diet. People will search for you because they know you have all the information about this particular topic. And they will trust you when you offer a low-carb diet plan. But you still have room to expand your business because you can combine physical exercise and supplements with the diet. And trust me, people buy anything from you after you build trust and credibility. Now you must be wondering how you can find products to promote. It's different for every niche, but there are like 4 places you can go for ideas. 1, you can go to Google and search for things like best affiliate program for your niche of choice. 2, you can go to Amazon.com, just go to shop by department and check for some ideas. 3, you can go to Dummies.com. I mean, if they made a Dummies book about it, it may be a great niche to be in, right? And number 4, you can go to clickbank.com. I have never promoted any product from ClickBank, mostly because the payout is not very high and I have never used any products from them. Every company that has their regulations for their affiliate program, so make sure you read them and follow them so you don't get kicked out from the program. Some companies let anyone to become their affiliate and they're gonna give you the link right away. While other companies may ask you to fill out an application, have a preview experience and audience. I just want you to keep in mind that influence comes first, income second. People are not gonna buy from you the first time they see you. If you don't get accepted the first time, just keep creating content, publishing them and building audience. Then you can apply again if it's a product that you really want to have in your portfolio. Step number 2, pick a social media platform. Here's where you're gonna build your influence and promote your unique links. Learn about one platform, its rules and algorithms to maximize your results there. Each platform has a different type of audience and content format. For example, Instagram is more about pictures, visual content, short posts. It's a great network designed for sharing pictures. On the other hand, Facebook is more for business-minded people. They like reading long posts and they join groups of their interests. Facebook is a great platform to set up an event for customers to reply for the invitation, for example. I personally like YouTube, surprise, surprise, and blogging because they both have the same strategy. Create search-based niche content around proven and profitable topics, which means that people will look for your video or articles instead of you trying to find and connect with them online. Also, a well-planned video and article will work for you for years to come, while a post will get lost on social media Neverland walls in a few days. Yeah, you might spend a little bit more time in writing a script for your video or writing an article, But you don't need to be posting and engaging every day like on TikTok or other platforms in order to keep your engagement. So if you don't want to become a social media slave, you might want to invest your time and energy on what really matters when it comes to build digital state. Step number 3, automate your business. Do you remember when I told you to collect your audience emails? Yeah, here's when it comes in handy. Before sending people to the affiliate company link, it's recommended to create a sales funnel with a bridge page. I highly recommend you to make a short intro video showing your face, introducing yourself, and preframing your customers to what's coming before taking them to the company's link. It's how you brand your business instead of just making commissions. Products come and go. Today you're promoting one thing, tomorrow you might be promoting something else. The goal is to build your name, your influence in the niche you picked. With a bridge page, you're able to offer free training, some free tips, maybe a checklist in exchange over their email address. After you collect their email with the sales funnel, you send them to the company's website. The email goes to your email database. So whatever was your free offer, it's gonna be automatically sent to their inbox. After that, you create email campaigns to follow up with your audience, keep them informed about your new videos or articles, always reminding them that you're here for them. Using sales funnels and email marketing, it's how you warm up your audience and increase your sales. It's how you can make money even when you are not working. I use ClickFunnels to build my sales funnel and get response to build my email marketing campaigns. I'm linking their pages in the descriptions in case you want to check them out. Step number 4, create content. Content is the key to build a genuine audience. And understand that the audience, it's real people following you. To attract them, you need to create valuable content all around your niche, making you the expert about the topic. Then, when you put out an offer, people take it because of the content you already gave them for free upfront. So yes, you're gonna become a content creator. Creating content and publishing them will be your daily income producing activity. So I have 2 big tips for you here. 1, done is better than perfect. Publish your content even if you think you can improve it. For example, if you're making a video and you think it's not that great, you might think you don't look good, or maybe you sound like a robot, publish it anyway. With time, you master your message and it becomes natural, but you have to start. Remember, you don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great, right? My second tip is knowledge is only powerful when it's applied. If you just spend time learning and not applying what you learn, you're not gonna go anywhere. Learn, create content, and publish it. It's how this business works and how you're gonna build know, like, and trust to start making sales. Step number 5, create traffic to your links. There are 2 ways to create traffic, organic and paid. Organic, it's more fun when people find you on social media, like your content, and start following you. It might take a little bit longer, but it's the way that you build a relationship with your audience. Paid, kind of self-explained here, it's when you pay ads to reach people. I would recommend you to start organically, learn the process, start getting results, learn how to direct ads, and then when you start making money, invest this money in ads. You must understand that paid ads are great to collect emails so you can follow up later. Just because people click the ad, it doesn't mean that they're gonna buy right away. You must have your business up and running with sales funnel and email marketing to make paid ads to work for real. Got it? And that's it. As you can see, affiliate marketing is not complicated. But it's not a get fast rich scheme either. Like any real business, it takes time, consistent, and work. But scaling this business within 6 months to 1 year, if you dedicate to the process, is totally durable. It was a short overview of affiliate marketing process so you can get familiar with this online business model. If you want to fast track your journey, I highly suggest you to check out the free 3-day training I'm linking in the description. Let me know if you have any questions, just comment below. I would love to hear from you. I'll be more than happy to support you in your journey. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, Vanessa here, and I'll see you in the next video.